you guys? So today is Sunday and we have some games that we have to go to today. I think today's like the championship game, or it's like by brackets. So you play one game and whoever wins that game, then the two winners play, and then whoever loses the game, then the two teams that lost got to play against each other. But nevertheless, that's what we're getting ready to do. Is a beautiful day here in Chicago. It's like 50 degrees outside, I hear. So let's go and enjoy this day. And let's get started. Oh, and there goes the man, the boy of the hour, the teenager. About to go get on this court and shoot some buckets and help his team win this game. So we're about to head out, have some fun, enjoy the weather at the same time, but most importantly, have fun. I'm going to check back with you guys. Just let me get to the car and let me get out this door and go get me some coffee. Okay? So we here. So we're about to go try this vegan restaurant now after the game. I guess we would say what, in third place, Jay? They went to third place, so now we're hungry and we about to eat a little healthy today. So we're gonna try, what's the name of this spot? Soul Vegan? Soul Veg here on 75th, and I'm so excited because I never been here before, but I heard good reviews about it, so we'll see.
Loaf, mashed potatoes, corn, kale, greens, and roasted gravy. And it comes with a soup or side.
You like meatloaf?
Okay. That's the only thing? Oh, okay.
Yep.
Oh, good Sunday. Okay. Okay, I guess we'll take that.
3.
Yeah.
Oh, you said soup. What kind of soup?
Chili.
No kind of salad?
And what's the dressing? We got Prince cucumber and garlic.
Let's try garlic.
Garlic.
Sure. But I need an extra salad. Garlic.
You want salad?
Okay, so today is Sunday, so the only meal they have, I guess they only have one meal on Sundays, right? Okay, so I'll be getting what am I getting? I've never been before, you guys. I'm getting the lentil meatloaf.
Yeah, it's a meatloaf.
Corn.
And
Mashed potatoes.
Mashed potatoes in the
But there's vegan mashed potatoes.
greens. It ain't no potato.
Oh, and greens, which is nothing but kale. Meatless, okay? Because we want all vegan. We want all out today with a salad and garlic dressing. So I'm going to check back in with you guys so you can see the food and just let y'all know how it's tasting, okay? Oh my gosh. Y'all, doesn't this look amazing? And mind you, everything is like vegetarian based. So we have the kale right here, and this is like the meatloaf with our corn. I don't know what is this? Huh? It is good, ain't it? This is the mashed potato. As you can see, my salad, this dressing is the truth. How you like yours, Jack? It's good? Yeah. It's like a garlic dressing off the chain. That was some good food, y'all. Like, oh my goodness. So now we are here. Now I'm about to walk back to my car, and I think we're going to go to the show. I think we're just going to turn this into a straight family day. No, I'm facing that way, not this way. You still can't talk? What? Okay. I'm leaving. Brown Sugar Bakery. They say they have some really, really good. I cannot wait to try it. I didn't get none on my own, but my dad and and Jalen got some banana pudding, and then my dad got some cause that's limbs, and then my dad got some got a caramel cupcake. That's what I heard they're known for, their caramel cupcakes. But because I'm not like a big sweets person, I just said I just try everybody. I like to taste everybody else's stuff. So I'm gonna try this now. I just hope it's like really good. I'm gonna check with y'all in a minute. But I think I'm gonna go to the show too. But I'm gonna check with y'all in a hot second. No, I don't. Janet, don't eat up all the cookies, okay? Why he gotta eat up all the cookies? Somebody tell me, why do Janet gotta eat up all the cookies? Just save me like 3. Why he gotta eat up all the cookies though? How many in there? Is it 3 in there for real? So you're gonna take the 2 plus your banana pudding?
You can taste my banana pudding.
I can taste it. Now I can taste the banana pudding because he really wants those cookies. Okay. Well, y'all, I'm about to check out. Today was very eventful. I got one shoe on, one shoe off. But today was very, very fun. We had basketball games. I went out to eat. We had family time. We went and got some dessert. Now we're back home. We was going to go to the show, but decided to bring it in and just chill out for the rest of the evening. I enjoyed the weather. It was 50 degrees. Well, it looked 57 degrees outside. Y'all see I'm out here with a jean jacket and a sweatshirt. So it was phenomenal. I'm going to check with y'all later, or until next time. Don't forget, it's MishaB. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, because I also bring to you guys, as well as vlogging, but also beauty tips, wigging on a budget, reviews, and all that good stuff. Talk to y'all in shortly. Well, no, actually, I'll talk to y'all in a minute. Bye.